And we're rolling.
We are live in the Raven Street Dance Studio via NewTown, North Dakota, with the infamous Jason Morsette, aka Chubbs. Okay, so he is going to show you how to properly skin a catfish.
Boys, over here, pay attention.
Breastbone right there.
No.
What are those? Mom, what are those?
Spinners.
Get out of the way, bro.
The only thing I don't have, I gotta break this bone.
Disgusting.
Yeah, it's really. You see it?
The one thing I don't like is this last fin
Yeah.
here.
I need the flashlight.
I got it. Oh, 2 o'clock. All right, kids, get in the bed. You can use that for bait right there if you got a big enough hook.
Yeah.
Get some fish heads. Catfish, get fish heads. No, throw them up. Oh, shit heads.
Where's the head? Mom, where's the head?
He threw it back.
Oh, no. Okay. No.
Did they die?
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go get that fish head. You get it to mod.
I think that's a sharp knife.
That's a fillet knife. Sold millions of those. That's real.
What brand of knife is that?
It's a famous knife, yeah.
Is it a Walmart special?
Yep. Walmart special. Basically, yeah. Yeah. But it works.
Oh, inside. That's disgusting, Mom.
I don't know, right?
It's been eaten.
Something.
What?
Oh, that's at the bottom.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah. That's good though.
That's all.
Oh, those noise effects are ridiculous.
It's disgusting.
This is just guts, that's all.
Lungs and stuff on the back of the rough.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's when I throw the fish in.
Wash the bottle a little bit.
Drops it.
And then if I sit again, when the fish comes up.
What?
Hi, hi, Nino, so. Hi, hi, Nino, so. No, is it? Yeah. Capitote.
No problem.
Yeah, it is. No.
Leave the tail alone, it'll bite you.
Let it go.
Let it go, Bishkanani.
Hey.
Capitote.
For real, let it go.
Petting me.
Leave the tail alone.
Petting me.
That dog will bite you.
You know what, Roddy? Pay attention to what your uncle's doing right there.
Why are you doing that?
He's flaying it.
Oh, okay.
There's
Get that fin out.
just found the bone in her here.
I wonder if there's no fish and bones.
So what makes it, at what point do you choose to fillet it or to catfish nugget?
I would have.
The size?
Dad, that would be cool to
size,
make
basically.
fish nuggets.
So at this size, it's big enough for a fillet.
Like, make it.
And the thing about it is that there's no bones in this fish but this backbone.
Beat them out, cut them in chunks, and deep fry that motherfucker as I do.
Nope. Dad,
Or anything. Or you put it in the oven though too, bacon.
Hi, puppy.
Penny.
If you don't want the.
Dad,
Yes, baby.
one day can we go fishing?
Yes, one day we can.
You see all those bones right there?
Hungry.
Yes.
Oh, you want to eat some fish?
No.
Oh.
Eat some. Eat some macaroni.
Macaroni and catfish?
Nope. That would be disgusting if it's raw. It's raw though.
No, it'll be cooked too,
You think they should add fishing contests to powwows?
You should.
Hey, it still wouldn't matter.
Flowers.
That'd be a nice idea.
Who's that, me?
Do you think they should have gutting and stuff? And like contests like what you're doing right now? The singers sit there long enough, they would probably enjoy that. And dancers.
I wouldn't mind spending the summer up here and working on doing some gigs and stuff, you know what I mean? Yes. But the kids, they got accepted to Riverside Indian School, Oklahoma, so after Shakopee, so we're going to go down there. I got a place down there already, too, so. Yeah, right there by Hachi. Right there almost like Texas.
That's where you're heading out to?
We're keeping our place in North Carolina, but we acquired a second home. It's 4 miles west of where the Nevacoya Ranch is.
Yeah, there you go, yeah. So if you know where Edmonton live at, or if you live in there, you go west about 4 miles. So right in Wichita Mountains there.
It's actually called Boone. 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 Oklahoma.
Now you get the rocks in there.
Yeah, now I gotta find a platform here. So I don't poke myself on through here.
Look, that shark tooth right here.
Where?
What is dinosaur tooth?
Yeah. Give me my dinosaur tooth.
Oh, that.
Right here. Dinosaur tooth.
Oh man, it's too much. It's a stone. She don't make sure for them.
Oh, yeah, no, it's dinosaur tooth.
Dinosaur stone.
Yeah, make a necklace out of it.
See? Look. Just
Steven,
make
get
it.
in. Oh. Oh, I thought mosquitoes were biting yours.
Oh, yes.
Chuck that flay. There it is.
One sandwich.
One
sandwich.
That's one sandwich.
One sandwich. There's some flavor in it now.
Yeah. What's the
So they never have warnings here as far as the water?
What do you mean mornings?
Like no fishing water or like no eating?
There's one.
There's one. Yeah.
How could they say just for deer when the deer drink from the same water?
What?
How can you have an explosion just like 2 days ago and then, I mean, I'm not trying to, but like I'm just trying to spread awareness. What was how close to here was the explosion?
Jesus, right about a mile away.
Like just upriver?
About 2 miles.
Dad.
About a mile away.
That's why we pray over our food. So if it is contaminated, we're healed.
But you'll know when you're sick.
I eat rock.
Yeah.
It's too late. You're supposed to.
Wait, no,
Do you guys
if
test your
make
waters?
us
Does
like
your
us,
tribe test your waters?
Of course.
you can heal yourself.
And what do they say?
You lose weight.
It's all good.
Dad, I found another tooth.
There's a lot of vitamins that keep my voice sharp.
Mini Wichoni, right?
Yeah.
Get bit up? Okay.
What was the explosion due to? I'm asking all
No idea.
questions.
I found another tooth.
No comment.
Yeah.
He does not work for the tribe. So do you think you could survive on this river if you had to?
Easily.
In your roof launches?
Do whatever you gotta do.
So
Who
there's
taught
that.
you how to fish?
Nobody.
Grandpa.
Shit. Did he teach you?
No, kitty, come here.
By the way, he caught these fish. Hey, when you catch them, you don't have to clean them.
Right?
I just got some flies from
Don't be spraying that near the fish now. We caught a one-eyed catfish in Iowa. I still ate it.
Who's we?
Well, you did. I fried it up. God.
Who's we? You want that up or something? You got it. I got it. Almost done, yeah. Let's just get carrot because ice picks. Yeah, good eyes. You do that quick?
Now we talk about the farm bill. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, so it was 2 sandwiches.
Machete.
Yeah, just that last bowl.
Dad, this one's way hard.
So during COVID, did you guys lift your like? Do you have to have a hunting license here, or fishing license?
Oh yeah.
Even if you're native,
Yep.
Tribal?
is it state land or tribal land?
Not really tribal land.
Is it both?
No, that was my pit bull in that
Isn't
one.
it crazy how it can be both?
Dad's a pit bull in lab.
Our lands, but we abide by multiple entities.
Yeah. We can get that at home. It's getting dark.
Let's go get it.
Get it,
Wash
get
it
it.
out. Soak this
Oh,
in salt
yeah.
water for a little bit.
We should have never showed up. We messed them up, man. They could have
Well,
had.
they look like mountain curs. That's what they look like.
And we are checking out.
Lab
It's time to eat
And football.
Yeah.
from Lake
football
Sakakawea,
lab.
NewTown.
With